Are your customers looking for cloud services? Before you settle on a cloud provider, consider a few things. Let's start with your profitability. Are you paying too much locked into long-term contracts with your current provider? At E-MetroTel, we provide pay-as-you-go and all-in-one service with no contracts. And our price compared to the others will put a huge smile on your face and money in the bank. Second, speed and quality of provider support. Are you tired of talking to bots and chasing unresolved issues? The E-MetroTel support team is live, based in North America, and if needed has access to anyone in the company to solve problems. We understand your time is valuable. And third, reliability of the cloud provider. Voice service is in our DNA. Our team has been delivering voice solutions for decades. Our software is developed by us, supported by us, and is hosted on reliable and secure servers around the globe. Let us give you peace of mind. Still not sure? Listen to what a few of our current customers have to say about it. How does the price of UCX Cloud compare with other providers?
Pricing it's definitely competitive with all of the local providers around here. It's priced in a way where we're able to compete and choose the pricing that best fits each customer situation. It's a true reseller model, so if we need to make some adjustments to the pricing to land a deal, it's definitely within our capabilities to do so. We've never had an issue with competing on projects. So I would say the pricing is great, but even better, the model that's being offered, where we retain control of the pricing and how we want to allocate that in each particular project is a huge benefit.
In terms of cloud in our particular region, there's various providers using either proprietary systems, asterisk-based systems, etc., and they all completely vary. I suppose where E-MetroTel varies as really for us is around the Nortel technology that's built in from a security point of view and a feature set point of view. So from a price point, it's not at the low end, but it's not a low end system. It's a proper PBX is what we consider it as, which is priced well when competing against our other competitors such as Avaya, Alcatel, NEC Cloud, etc. It's priced very well.
How do you feel about E-MetroTel support service?
But overall, it's like the whole support structure, like the whole, like the company culture almost overall. It's nobody's above talking to the reseller, right? It's everyone's there to help, everyone's there to pitch in. You can email, everyone's very responsive. So overall, yeah, just the E-MetroTel support service as a whole is just it's been a super positive experience. It's very kind of team-focused atmosphere, and they make you feel like you're part of that team. So it's been good.
From a support point of view, I found support to be excellent. Not that we've required it much. The system is fairly self-explanatory, and from a deployment point of view, from the partner portal, we can have a PBX up and running, within 30 minutes or so or less. So from a configuration point of view, yeah, everything's good. Documentation is great on the website. But if we do need to log a ticket for whatever particular reason, I don't think we've had to log one yet in terms of an actual fault. It's more so been for maybe a particular complicated scenario that we needed some assistance with. Response times have been great, and yeah, straight to the point to help with the issue. So yeah, probably one of the best support services we've ever used.
How reliable is UCX Cloud compared to other providers?
The reliability is, of course, the cloud service, it's truly 100% uptime. So that's one of the biggest selling features for us is the fact that, we can take all the environmental factors out of it. whether they lose power, whether they lose internet, no matter what happens, that system is always up 100% of the time. So we can jump in there, change the auto attendants, point calls to cell phones, do whatever we have to do so that no matter what happens, the caller is never getting a busy tone or a dead end, right? You can still have that auto attendant pick up. It's truly 100% uptime. So that's a huge benefit for us. It's a huge selling feature, and something we definitely rely on.
From a reliability point of view, as we know, we use the AWS cloud via E-MetroTel, which is rock solid in itself, but the actual PBX extremely reliable. I'm trying to rack my brain here to think of a customer that actually had a problem with, but yes, it's very reliable. And I suppose the big advantage from our point of view that it's a single PBX on a single server. It's not multi-tenant. So from a peace of mind point of view, from a reseller, we're not sitting at home on the weekend hoping that every customer in the country doesn't go down for some reason or another. So yeah, it's worked very well for us, and that's what we want reliability, functionality, and at the end of the day, the customer is happy as long as it's working.